Dear student, today we will learn how to write the formula. In any formula, cation is written first, followed by anion. Suppose you have cation A having the charge X and anion B having the charge Y. So during association, during formation of formula, power of B will change, will transfer up to A, and power of X will transfer up to B. So on the basis of this, formula will be written as AY BX. If cation and anion both have similar charge, AX BX or AY BY, then power of A and B will not transfer to each other. Hence, in both cases, our formula will be simply AB. We will not write X. केटायन के ऊपर जितना चार्ज होगा वह ट्रांसफर होगा एनायन पर, और एनायन के ऊपर जितना चार्ज होगा वह ट्रांसफर होगा केटायन पर। यदि दोनों पर प्रेजेंट चार्ज अलग अलग, यदि केटायन तथा एनायन दोनों पर प्रेजेंट चार्ज इक्वल होंगे, बराबर होंगे, तब फार्मूला को शो करते समय हम इनके पावर को एक दूसरे पर चेंज नहीं करेंगे, एक दूसरे पर ट्रांसफर नहीं करेंगे। Let us consider the example. Suppose we have to write ferrous oxide. As I have told you, in any formula, cation is written first. So here, ferrous is written first. It means ferrous belongs to cation, and this is written later of the ferrous, just after the ferrous oxide is written. It means oxide will be have as anion. So now we write the representation of ferrous ion, Fi plus 2, for oxide O minus 2. Now pay your individual attention at the charges, at the power, at the values present above symbol. The value of charge above Fi is 2. And value of charge above oxygen is also 2. So both numbers are equal. Hence, power will not transfer at each other. So we will write simply FiO. Another example, ferric oxide. For ferric, Fi plus 3 and for oxide O minus 2. So here power or values or charges present above the symbol are different. Power of Fi is 3. Power of oxygen is 2. Never mind what is the sign of power, positive or negative. You have to mind only value in term of power. So here value of charge at Fi is 3 and value of charge at oxygen is 2. So during formation of formula, charge of oxygen will transfer to Fi and charge of Fi will transfer to oxygen. So we will write this as Fi2O3. For aluminum sulfate, aluminium sulfate Al plus 3 SO4 minus 2. Charges are not similar. Charge of Al is 3, charge of sulfate is 2. Charges are not similar. Charges are 3 and 2 respectively. The being different charges at the cation and anion, value of charge must transfer to each other. So formula of aluminum sulfate will be as follows: Al2SO4 thrice. If bracket is not used, our number will be 43. That is wrong. So here 3 is transfer at entire SO4, not particularly for the oxygen. If bracket is not written, it means our number will be 43. So 43 means single air and 43 oxygen, and that will be wrong. Then to avoid this, we enclose entire sulfate in a small bracket and transfer value of cation is represented as a subscript for the entire SO4, not particularly for the sulfur, not for the oxygen, for entire SO4. Next example, calcium phosphate, Ca plus 2 PO4 minus 3. The charge of calcium will transfer at entire PO4 and charge of PO4, that is 3, will transfer at Ca. Its formula will be Ca3PO4 in bracket twice. Now molar mass. Sum of atomic mass of all atoms present in molecule. किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल में जितने आइटम होंगे उनके एटॉमिक मास को यदि जोड़ दिया जाए तो वही मोलर मास हो जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन केस ऑफ ग्लूकोज, फार्मूला ग्लूकोज is C6H12O6 अब देखेंगे ग्लूकोज में 6 कार्बन है, तो 6 कार्बन का मास कितना होगा? 12 हाइड्रोजन है, 12 हाइड्रोजन का मास कितना होगा? 6 ऑक्सीजन है, 6 ऑक्सीजन का मास कितना होगा? टोटल को जोड़ देंगे तो जो सम होगा वही मोलर मास को इंडिकेट करेगा। तो नाउ माइंड हियर दैट हाउ द मोलर मास इज काउंटेड in glucose. There are 6 carbons, the 6 times mass of each carbon atom 12. Mass of atomic mass of carbon is 12 and number of carbon atoms are 6. The mass of all these 6 carbon means 6 times 12. At second number hydrogen present, the number of hydrogens are 12 and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, 12 times 1, plus at third number oxygen present, the number of oxygen atoms are 6 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. The 12 6 are 72 plus 12, 16 6 are 96 equal to 180. Other examples, carbon dioxide CO2. Here only one carbon atom present. The mass of one carbon is 12 plus 2 oxygen atoms are present. 2 times mass of oxygen. The mass of oxygen is 16. 12 plus 32 equal to 44. Now for sulfuric acid, H2SO4, 2 hydrogen atoms are present 2 times. Mass, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus at second place sulfur is present. So 1 sulfur is present. The mass, atomic mass of sulfur is 32 plus at third number oxygen is present. The number of oxygen atoms are 4. So 4 times atomic mass of oxygen is 60. So 2 plus 32 plus 64 is equal to 98. होमवर्क, फाइंड द मोलर मास ऑफ फॉलोइंग एसिटिक एसिड CH3COOH, ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, washing soda, sodium carbonate, decahydrate. Hydrate means crystalline water. Next question, find the formula of following salt. Potassium nitrate, silver iodide, जिंक सल्फाइड, अमोनियम क्लोराइड, बेरियम फास्फेट।